Chapter 8 is talking about pivot table calculation. Excel provides several built-in summary calculations, include average, maximum, minimum, product sum, count, standard deviation, and variance. If you add a numerical field to the data area, Excel uses sum as the default summary calculation. If you use a text field in the data area, Excel uses count as the default summary calculation. You can also change the summary tab. Just click here and right-click, choose Field Setting. Then you can see these 11 built-in summary calculations, and you can choose which one you want. Except these 11 built-in summary calculation, Excel provides another important calculation. It is the difference summary calculation. It used to compare one item with another. Difference form returns the difference between them, and percent difference form will return the percentage difference between them. In this pivot table, it gives the external price for 2018 and 2019. Now we want to compare the external price of 2019 with 2018. We can click here and right-click, click the field setting, and we choose Show Data as Lab. And then here we can click Difference Form or Percent Difference Form. We can choose Difference Form. Then we need to choose the base field. Base field is order date, and we need to choose the base item is 2018. Click OK. Then we have the difference between these 2 years. Another important summary calculation is percentage summary calculation. Percentage summary calculation is used to comparing 2 or more items as a percentage. Excel provides 7 types of percentage summary calculation. In this pivot table, it gives us the sales in different region and quarter. Now, if we want to compare the sales with the first quarter, we can click here and right-click Field Setting and select Show Tab as Lab, and here we can click the percent off, and we choose base field is quarter and compare with the first quarter. Click OK. Then we can see the second, third, and fourth quarter are compared with the first quarter. Next important summary calculation is running total calculation. Running total calculation shows the cumulative sum of the values that appear in a given set of data. Most running totals accumulate over a period of time. Running total applies to related calculations such as the sum, count, or average. Excel provides 2 kinds of running total and percent running total. This table gives the external price for each month. Now we want to see the running total of external price in this year. Then we click here and click Field Setting, and we click Show Data as Lab, and then we can choose running total in or percent running total in. We click percent running total in, and the base field is order date, and click OK. Then we can see the percent running total of external price in this year. The last summary calculation is index calculation. Index summary calculation used to determine the relative importance of the results. It calculates the weighted average of each cell in the pivot table results. This is a formula for index calculation. In this table, it gives us the quantity of category in each region. Now we want to see the importance for the category in each region. We can click here and click Field Setting and click Show Data as Lab and choose Index and click OK. Then we can see the importance for each category in each region, and we can choose this part and click number format. Let it only show 2 decimal, and we can see the importance for each category. Except the summary calculation provided by Excel, we can also create our own calculation, customer calculation. But you need to be careful the limitation of customer calculation. In this table, it gives us the external price for each salesman. Now we want to create a field that returns the commission for each salesperson. We can click here and click Pivot Table Analysis and click Field Item Set. Click Calculated Field and we can give it a name. And we can input the formula. If the external price larger than 50,000, then it can have the 10% of the external price as his commission, otherwise it will return 0. And then click OK. Then we have the calculated field. Here, one thing we need to be careful is that in customer calculated field, the grand total is often inaccurate. You can see that this value is not correct. We can also create customer calculated item. This table gives us the external price for each category. Now we want to compare the sales of low wagon and wagon, so we can create 2 items for low wagon and wagon. We click here and click Pivot Table Analysis and click Field, click Calculated Item. Here we can give it a name, low wagon, and input the formula. Formula is the average of meat and dairy product and seafood, and click OK. Then we can see a new item low wagon is created. In the same way, we can also create an item wagon. In the last, let's talk about the subtotal of pivot table. When we add a second field to the row or column area, the Excel will display the subtotal for the items in the outer field. If we want to reduce the complexity of pivot table, we can turn off subtotal for field, such as here we include the product promotion, advertisement, and date in the rows, so there has many subtotal. If we want to turn off this subtotal, we just choose it and click Pivot Table Analysis and click Field Setting and click None and click OK. Then the subtotal is turned off. And if we want to show several subtotal for field, we can click this field and click Field Setting and click Customer and choose the summarizing calculation which we want, such as average, maximum, minimum, and click OK. Then we can see multiple subtotal of this field is added. Thank you very much.